Hi, I'm Michael Hewitt-Gleason. I'm principal and co-founder of the School of Thinking. And the School of Thinking is the largest program in the world for teaching thinking as a skill, in particular lateral thinking, or what we also call X10 thinking. What is the biggest problem on Earth? The biggest problem on planet Earth, not just the biggest problem on Earth, but the biggest problem in the nation, and even the biggest problem in the home. It's worth thinking about, and there are many big issues. If you discuss it, there are issues like nuclear weapons and climate change and digital disruption. But the biggest problem on planet Earth is human thinking. Now, of course, it's also the biggest opportunity if we can do something about it. And so in this session, for the next few minutes, and I'm very glad to be here presenting as part of Zondra's presentation with the Arab and African Youth Platform, I'd like you to think about thinking. We call that, cognitive scientists call it metacognition, but it's just thinking about thinking. Not just reacting to stimuli, but thinking about how we react. And that's what we're going to talk about in this session. So the biggest problem on Earth is thinking. What can we do about it? Well, where does thinking come from? And of course, it's a product of the human brain. And the good thing is that everybody in the room here has one. Otherwise, it'd be a more difficult seminar if we had to deliver human brains. So you've got your human brain, the most amazing machine in the universe. As far as we know, there is nothing in the universe more complex, more powerful, and more amazing than the human brain. The end result of 15 billion years of evolution, and you've got one. But the problem is we're a little short on software. So I want to talk to you today a little bit about the problem of the brain, the problem of thinking, but then again, what can we do about it? Now, if you think of your brain as a neck-top computer, we've got laptop computers and desktop, and we've got our smartphones and so on, but we have this biological neck-top computer 1 million times more powerful than any other computer than we know of at present. But we are short on software. The main software that we teach at school is the right-wrong system. It's a binary system, which means two positions. So we have right and wrong. We have to get the right answer and don't make any mistakes. Now that's very useful. Like other tools, like other apps, like other software, it's useful. But by itself, it's not enough. The trouble with the binary system or the right-wrong system, there's only two positions. So if you have, black or white, male, female, us versus them, and so it does tend to lead to conflict and to argument and make us very slow thinkers. And that is one of the biggest problems on Earth, is binary thinking. So what we want to look at in this session today is trinary thinking, where you have three positions. So in binary thinking, the alternative to good is bad, or the alternative to right is wrong. We can see in our parliamentary system, all the people on this side say, we're right, and nothing you say makes any sense. And then all the people on the other side say, no, we're right, and nothing you say makes any sense. So that's the binary system argumenting, because if there's such a thing as right and wrong, well, naturally I'm right and you're wrong. But if we can go beyond binary thinking and to trinary thinking, where we have three positions, so the alternative to good is not just bad, but it's also better. And better can lead us into design, into innovation, into lateral thinking, and what I'm going to introduce to you today, X10 thinking, or times 10 thinking. A real boost, a real powerful software for your brain to enable you to escape from your point of view, escape from the right-wrong discussion, and to move into something much, much better, even 10 times better.